Whether it's a hot summer's day or a chilly winter morning, your vehicle's heating and air conditioning system keeps you comfortable. But when it's not working properly, the consequences go beyond discomfort. Driving with improper AC or heat in both hot and cold months can lead to driver fatigue, reducing your reaction time as well as awareness. Additionally, in hot summer months, a malfunctioning AC system can cause your windows to fog up, severely limiting visibility and making driving nearly impossible. Here are some basic tips of what you can look for, as well as what you can do if you are experiencing heating or air conditioning problems. Number 1, check for weak airflow. If the air coming from your vents is weak, it could be a sign of a clogged filter, blower motor issues, or duct blockages. Number 2, monitor temperature changes. If your AC isn't blowing cold air or your heater isn't keeping you warm, there could be a refrigerant leak or a problem with the thermostat. Number 3, pay attention to unusual noises. Hearing strange noises like rattling or hissing when the AC or heat is on could indicate problems with the compressor or other system components. Now that we've gone over some basic tips, here are some things that you can troubleshoot at home. Number 1, odd smells from your vents. If you smell something musty or foul when you turn on the AC or heater, it could be due to mold or mildew building up in the system or a leak. Number 2, leaks under the car. If you notice fluid leaking under your vehicle, it could be refrigerant or coolant, which is a clear sign of a problem with your HVAC system. Number 3, your AC cycles on and off frequently. When your air conditioning cycles on and off rapidly, it could be an issue with the pressure sensors or refrigerant levels. Now that you know the key signs, here's how our expert team offers comprehensive HVAC system diagnostics. Number 1, complete system inspection. Our experts will check your vehicle's HVAC system, including the compressor, blower motor, refrigerant levels, and cabin air filter to identify and fix any issues. Number 2, fast and effective repairs. From recharging the AC to repairing leaks or replacing components, our team is trained to handle all HVAC repairs to ensure your comfort on the road. Number 3, customer-centered service. We prioritize clear communication, and after our vehicle health checkup, we'll explain our findings, giving you a breakdown of options so that you can make the best decision for your car and budget. Don't let a broken heating or cooling system ruin your drive. We have the technology and highly skilled technicians at all of our locations to keep you driving safely with peace of mind. Go to our website and book your appointment today.